want to say that that building up there with the blue top, it always reminds me of the Tipton Hotel. We're just waiting for, what raid?
Mega Raid Closet.
We're waiting for a Mega Raid Closet raid.
we do it from Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, that sounds kind of funky.
Ow!
Alright, break it down, then I start.
Hi. No. Restart. You know what? I'm not even gonna say hi. So we just got back to the hotel. It's what time is it? 9:27. It's 9 p.m. at night. We just had dinner at Brooklyn Diner. It was pretty good. The service was a little weird. I got a tuna melt, didn't finish the whole thing. After that, we walked over to Insomnia Cookies. It's actually super close to where we are right now, so we just decided to do that. We have an Insomnia Cookies back at home, but we just don't have, like, I don't think, it's not that close to us, so I just figured we'd get some, and this would just be our dessert for the night. So let me show you the cookies. So we just got back from getting dinner. Sean and I are super tired, so we just picked up a pizza. We're just gonna eat it here and then pack up our luggage because it needs to be packed. She's messy. Anyway, so I just wanted to show our dinner. So let me show that to you guys. Went and got Amore Pizza Cafe, which is literally down the block. We also stopped by the CVS, which is right across the street, just to get some drinks because drinks at CVS are cheaper. I got some candies for me for the flight because the last flight I got really nauseous, and anyway, I just feel like I need it. And then I decided to try this motion sickness relief for the plane as well. Yeah, more pizza. We just got one large pepperoni. I wish you guys could smell it. Oh my gosh. It's literally, it smells so good. You wouldn't believe it. And it's like leaking out on the side. Shauna's just showering, and then I'm probably gonna shower too because we feel sticky and yucky from just being in Randall's Island for a couple hours and walking around and being sweaty. It was a beautiful day today though, so anyway, I'm gonna wait for him to finish showering, and then I'm gonna go shower, and then we're gonna dig into this pizza and then get to packing. See you guys tomorrow morning.